fill the 1 kg salt one time.
Okay.
1 kg salt maximum 10 to 15 cycle durable. After end of the chamber, S indicator is shown display side.
Okay.
Again you have to refill it.
Okay.
Salt is mandatory. Salt means control the hardness of water. It's
Okay.
compulsory. 1 kg one.
Once you get this indication, we need to refill it.
Again refill. Second, food wastage collected. Every
Okay.
2-3 cycles. Just open and clean the jar.
Okay. 2-3 cycle means
2 washers.
2 washer, 3 washer. Okay.
Rinse it. Shampoo. Rinse it.
Okay.
That rinse it vessels shiner and training purpose.
Okay.
Just cut it. Pour it till maximum level.
Okay.
80 ml capacity is there. Once you fill it 80 ml, same 10 to 15 cycle.
Okay.
After over the chamber, you have to get the indicator and
Indicator.
and close it properly. Don't open anytime. Okay. Properly you have to close.
Okay.
Detergent totally 2 types is available. One the tablet type, one powder type. Anyone your choice. This is the tablet.
Tablet.
One tablet, one wash. Is the
Okay.
close.
So both we are putting it the same place.
Same powder or tablet, same place. Only.
Same place. Powder, how much we need to?
That depend upon say one scoop.
One scoop.
Half
Okay.
scoop. Heavyweight vessels. Suppose use the plates, it's side by side.
Okay.
This 2 line foldable. Suppose use the cooker, kadai, big vessels,
Okay.
handle it. Come. Keep it upside down.
Okay.
Heavyweight vessels. Lightweight. Small bowls, cup, glass.
Okay.
Everything's upside down. Suppose you have any small plates, place it here. Otherwise, you have to fold it. Use any bowls or something.
Okay.
Anything. Just delicate item. Suppose you pour it in delicate item, wine glass. You have to
Okay.
put it here, holding purpose.
Holding.
Wine glass handle, hold it.
Okay.
And the extra fan is there. That's it.
Okay. So that one.
That place you have to put it any like bowls or something. Bowls or any.
Mhm.
At the time you have to turn on the fan. At the time fan will be working.
Okay.
Huh.
Oh no.
It's cutlery.
Okay.
Spoons, knives and all. After load the vessels, before starting, compulsory you have to check the fan rotation.
Okay.
Sometimes you put the big vessels or something.
it
Or
will
anytime
touch
fan will be
on.
hit the vessel. You have to check it before starting. Handle it. And every program everything's mentioned default time, temperature, water level, everything presetted already.
Okay.
Close it properly. Press the power button. 2 indicators is there. First salt chamber.
Okay.
Second liquid chamber. Now both chamber empty.
Empty.
That's why red color indicator.
Okay.
You have to fill the
Fill
salt
it.
and rinse it. Light will be turned off.
Okay.
First one, eco wash. Suppose you put it normal solid dishes. If you want cleaning mode, temperature 50 degree. Timings 4 or 40 minutes. It's actually saving mode.
Okay.
Power and water saving, but time will be take mode, slowly running there. And second, auto. Auto means daily regularly better. Inside sensor is there, automatically select the temperature.
Okay.
45 to 65 degree.
Okay.
In a regular auto. Intensive, only cooker, kadai, maybe oil contact vessels. If you're in cleaning mode, this is maximum temperature.
Okay.
And normal, without cooking vessels, only dinner set, crockery item, plates and all. 65 degree temperature. And pre-rinse. Pre-rinse only for soaking, sometimes like for some dried vessels is there.
Okay.
Dried item. At the time, first free rinse required. Free rinse only for water soaking only, water spraying only, without washing. After 50 minutes completed, you have to change any program manually.
Okay. Initially we can do. After that we can put it
check.
on.
And favorite only glass, ceramic, Tupperware, without oil contact vessels. If you want cleaning quickly, is minimum cycle.
Okay.
These are extra options if you want any additionally changes sometime. First, start in hour. If you want start in sometime later, after 1 hour is hour 1, hour 2, hour 3, hour 4.
Preset. Okay.
If you want to start in time scheduling up to 24 hours.
24 hours.
And remote start. Just a app is there. You have to install the app. Wi-Fi connection.
Okay.
After that, you have to hold in 3-4 seconds. Remote start. Wi-Fi connection enable in dishwasher mode. But you have to control through the mobile app. Intensive zone. Suppose you poured heavy oil contact vessels, heavy gravy item vessels. You have to select the intensive zone. The pressure is increasing. Water flow.
Okay.
Again, time and free treatment. Suppose if you want lightly first washing, pre-wash or something. First free wash.
Okay.
After main wash will be start. And half load in some inside some less item is there.
That's it.
You have to select the half load time will be.
It's one tray.
Any day, not
Okay.
a tray, anywhere, but less
Anyway,
items.
less items.
Here, speed perfect. Already speed perfect activated. Suppose if you are cleaning fast, if you want time reducing last one.
Okay.
Actually fast cleaning, but power and water take more fastest cleaning.
No.
Fast, but time 1 hour.
Timeless.
After every cycle, you have to, if you want to reduce the time, you have to reduce it.
Okay.
Every program.
Oh, every program select, then first mode, then it will reduce the
Yeah.
time.
Normal 1 hour 30 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, normally auto. Things mix load is there. You have to reduce the time. Start time. That's all.
Okay. So only the change is it will use more power, more water.
Yes. Not too much, little bit defective. Finally, stand button.
Okay.
And is that descale powder is that every 3 monthly once.
Okay.
Cleaning purpose. Half double powder, put it inside anywhere randomly.
Okay.
Just put it anywhere, and you have to select the eco wash and reduce that time. Start the machine.
Okay.
Once in 3 month maintenance purpose.
Okay.
Starting because some inside chemical water is there. First you have to do the descaling with off wax powder, and after that you have to start the use it. Again 3 months is compulsory because of this area hardness issues and like same
Hardness
like
is there, yes.
scaling in formation. Suppose you have any provision is there, better to put it softener or something big softener or something safety purpose. Otherwise salt is compulsory. Salt sometime hardness issues there now. Sometime 10 below 10 wash also is consume
Okay.
hardness.
Hardness depends upon. Okay.
Quick guidance is there. Any loading time you should just read
Okay.
that. Now sample piece is there, 2 tablet and rinse it.
Okay.
The salt panel. Salt filling.
Salt
and
filling panel.
stick is there. Only for wiping.
Okay.
And
So now you already put this one inside? or-
first I'll check it on 5 minutes.
Okay.
And 10-year chamber warranty is there.
10.
Chamber means rust proof warranty. 2-year machine warranty. But any physically plastic item, no warranty. Warranty reference bill copy.
Okay.
Keep it safe.
So during once we started, are we able to open it? Or
Anytime.
open? there is
Anytime open.
Okay. So water will not be there.
Water on the low level storage.
Okay.
I'll show that one. Now started now. If you want to open the door, machine automatically stop.
Okay.
But steam come outside.
Okay.
Again you have to close the door. Same time only continue.